It's District Chief Michael Flanagan, Flanagan.
Chief, what do you have tonight?
About 10:45, we had a house fire come in. Crews were actually at another fire just a couple of blocks away, and we're here pretty much within minutes. Pulled up and just found a fully involved structure. Luckily, the homeowners were outside the house, so no one was hurt, but they're still working on putting this fire out.
Any idea how it started?
No, we got arson coming to investigate. They did have space heaters, so that might have been the cause, but it's under investigation at this time.
And how many occupants?
I believe just one.
Is it adult male?
Yes, an adult male.
Okay, and I think they said it might have been some pets that were...
Haven't heard about that. We haven't been able to go in because we still have active fire. So,
Is the cold weather or the wind affecting your efforts?
absolutely, yeah. Everybody's working hard and they're cold. As you can imagine, we actually have a Metro bus coming to try to keep some of the people and the occupant warm at this time.
Anything else to look at?
No, crews did a good time and nobody got hurt, so I guess it's a success. So,
Do you have any exposures?
no, we did have one house that had some smoke, but no fire impingement.
No injuries?
No injuries.